Our position and my position in this firm will always be that it is about the people first. The process doesn't care about you personally. It doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't care where you're going to be in 10 years. And I said, there's got to be a different way to do this. And what I kind of came to the conclusion was, well, the courts aren't going to do it and the law's not going to do it. But I do think the practice of law can do it. And that's really how I got started. And that was really my motivation of why I wanted to do family law when I went even into undergrad. I knew that I wasn't going to do criminal law. I wasn't going to do personal injury. I was always going to do family law because I know somewhere out there had to be a better way to do this.
I do handle all of the intake with all new clients that call. If they're scheduling like for a consultation for their divorce or for their custody battle, that would be me that they would speak to. They can just be themselves and just tell me everything that's going on, and they can just vent and be like, I'm sorry if I'm being too much. Well, you're not being too much. Just I need to know these things so I can let the attorney know to see if we can handle something like this for you. At the end of the day, it's hard for what they're going through no matter what it is. And so you just really need to be that listening ear for them.
When we take somebody, especially when they came in a really dark period, and we see this really often in our practice, where someone comes in a very dark period and they don't feel like they're going to make it to the other side. And we're constantly telling them and reminding them that they are enough, that they are okay, and that we're going to get them there. And when we see them on the other side of it, where they have a brand new outlook on life, where they just look better, they feel better, and they tell us thank you, it's everything. It really does make all of the hard work and the effort and the hours matter.
The very best part of my job is when we go in on a case and I know my client is right. I know my client is catching a bad story here. And we go into court and we are able to successfully present that to a judge, and then we get a rendition back. It's the very best feeling whenever I know that my client deserves exactly what they just got, and we were able to go into court and get that for them.
We don't worry right away about the legal process. That part we will handle. But I need to make sure that you or whoever is sitting across that table from me understands that the reason we're doing this is because you have value and you're valuable. And that's it. And that's the way we'll always approach it.